Hello, everybody. Hi. They've asked me to read a book today, and it's about dogs. Like me. Should we start? Yeah. Don't eat the book, like me. Right. This book just ate my dog. I'm not really concentrating, but I know the book anyway, so I'll just explain it. Certainly smells nice there. Right, Bella was taking her dog for a stroll across the page. Oh, I'm a bit tired. When... Get that page. Something very odd happened. Let's find out what it was. I'll get my... yeah. Bella's dog disappeared. Oh no. Hello, Bella. What's up? Said Ben. This book just ate my dog. Ben decided to investigate. But Ben disappeared too. It's really hard to turn the pages with my hands. Yeah. Help zoomed into sight. Look, it's an ambulance. Then vanished. Things were getting ridiculous. I'll just have to sort this out myself, thought Bella. I've disappeared too. Oh no, here I am. But who knew dogs could bark? I did. Sometime later, a note appeared. Dear reader, it would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn this book on its side and shake. Bella. And shake 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 and shake. Oh, yay, they're arriving. Oh. And one more wiggle. And everybody reappeared. Yay! I know I don't look happy, but I am. And things got back to normal. Well, almost. Oh, I'm happy I don't have my bottom upside down. Dear reader, please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty next time you read it. Thank you, Bella. Bye.